You know, horsemen! That's why when you asked us, Ric Flair, to be your partner, and you, Arn Anderson, we never think we could trust you. That's why we saw what you do with Sting. And Sting, anytime, any place you need your brothers in paint, we'll be there. But first of all, skyscrapers, we've had it. Saginaw, Michigan, you had a cheap shot at me and jumped me from behind. Then at Marietta TV, you had a run down when we're in the match with the Samoans and jump us from behind. Now we want you. Chicago street fight, our style, the way we like it. Right, Hawk?
What I'd like to know is this. How come it takes 5 of you against the 3 of us? Well, I'll tell you why. You know the reason why. Scared men pull knives. They never use them. You're scared men. And well, you should be, because you have the wrath of the warriors to face. That's not a pretty thing. Good for us, bad for you.